Hi everyone, just a short video for those who's got older bikes. If you've got a fuel tap, always make sure to switch it off, because I've done that on the FZR 600 I got. It's not so much of a problem on this one because it's got a fuel pump, but the problem is if you've got an older bike like an old Bandit and you leave the tap on, then it will flood the carbs and it's going to leak from the carbs into the engine and it will dilute the oil, so it can cause problems. This is reserve position now, up. This is on position and it should be left in the off position unless you're going to be riding the same day. Otherwise it should be switched off every time. See you soon. Hope that will help someone.
It is great.